Hi friends. Okay, today we are going to discuss about one of the chapter from the intersecondary enzymes. Okay, so enzymes are made up of by proteins. Okay, and if you observe the proteins and enzyme structure, they can you can see the similar in structure. So if you see the structure of protein, so there are different levels are you can observe in proteins. Primary structure, secondary structure, tertiary structure, quaternary structure. So four levels you can observe in proteins. In the same way, enzymes also shows the these four levels in its structure. So in tertiary structure, so enzyme folds upon itself. You can see the some folded structure upon the enzyme. So these folded structures are called to be active sites. Okay, or it may be called packets. So what is the use of these packets or active sites? So these active sites are important in activity of enzyme. So these substrate is binds into the enzyme within this part, within the this active site, and then it converted into end product. Okay, so what is the importance of enzyme? So these enzymes are involved in chemical reactions, metabolic, or it may be called metabolic activities, metabolic reactions, and they speed up the reaction rate. So for example, so CO2 plus H2O involves in one reaction, and then it forms the carbonic acid. So in this reaction, so 200 molecules are being formed per hour. Okay, carbonic acid, 200 carbonic acids are being formed per hour. Absence of enzyme, maybe this reaction is take place under the without an enzyme. So 200 carbonic acid molecules are being formed per hour. If this reaction is take place under an enzyme, so that the enzyme is called carbonic anhydrase, it forms the 6 lakhs of carbonic acid molecules per second. So this is the importance of enzymes. Means 10 million times is accelerates the 10 million times is more than the more than the without reaction of the enzyme. Okay, so it accelerates the reaction rate, it accelerates the reaction rate and to forms the end product in huge amount. So that is the importance of enzymes. Okay, so let us see the different types of enzymes. Multi-step catalyzing reactions. Okay, multi-step, some enzymes are some set of enzymes are catalyzes the one metabolic pathway or metabolic process. Some enzymes means same enzymes are different set of enzymes, same set of enzymes are different set of enzymes. It may be catalyzes the metabolic pathway which involves the multiple steps. It contains the multiple steps. Each steps is catalyzing by the uh, same enzyme or enzyme complex. So that is called metabolic pathway. Metabolic pathway. Okay, I would like to give you example for uh, good understanding. So glucose. So glucose is converted into pyruvic acid. So this is commonly called glycolysis. Glycolysis. So this is a metabolic pathway. Because of, so glucose is converted into pyruvic acid. So it carries the 10 reactions. It carries the 10 reactions. 10 reactions are take place in this process, and then finally forms the 2 molecular of pyruvic acid. So this is a multiple steps reaction. So each step is catalyzed by the one different enzyme. Then finally it forms the pyruvic acid, 2 molecules of pyruvic acid. So this is called metabolic pathway. Means here set of enzymes. So set of enzymes are involved. Set of enzymes are involved. So this is called metabolic pathway. So then enzymes are classified into 6 types based on the catalyzing capacity. Okay, some enzymes are catalyzing the each enzyme have separate properties, separate capacity to catalyzing the reactions. So here 6 groups, 6 categories, 6 classes have been observed in and among the enzymes which are catalyzing the different reactions. So first of all, acidoreductases. So you can be see here 2 words, acido and reducto. Oxidation, okay, means here two types of reactions are catalyzing the some special types of enzyme. Oxidation and reduction oxidation and reduction processes are catalyzing by the some special types of enzyme which are called to be acidoreductases. Means oxidation means reduction means what? Here oxidation means electrons or protons, means H pluses, which are removed from the substances, is called oxidation. Reduction means adding electrons or protons which added to the product. So that process is called reduction. So these two processes are catalyzed by the oxidoreductase enzymes. So this is first category of enzymes, and second category of enzymes are called transferases. Okay, transferases means which transfer the one group from the one substrate to another substrate. So usually these groups are mostly amino groups or phosphate groups. Okay na? Means it transfer the phosphate or amino group from one substrate to another substrate is called transferases. And the third category of enzymes are called hydrolysis. Hydrolysis means hydro means water, means water is breaks the bond between the two substrates and to form the new product, new substance with new chemical bonds. So that are called hydrolysis. Hydrolysis means nothing but hydro means water is influence the bonds between the substances and to form the new bonds is called the hydrolysis enzymes. And next to lyases. So lyases means so these lyases also function like hydrolysis, but here they breaks the bond and to form the new bonds among the substances other than the water. So here hydrolysis what? Water is playing role in to formation of the new bonds, but here without water involvement they forms the new bond between the substrate after action. So this is called lyases. Okay, and then isomerases. So isomerases means so molecular position become changed in the substances is stable and same substance. There is no one substance is cannot be changed into another substance, but within the one substance there are some molecules are organized, so that molecular position become changed. So that is called isomerization. Okay, that that process is called isomerization. So this isomerization is carried by some enzymes. So that enzymes are called to be isomerases. Okay, so this is called isomerases. And last one is ligases. Ligases. So ligases means very simple. Simply we can say it, linking the two compounds. They links the two compound and to forms the amino acids. They builds the uh, they builds the link between the two substances and then forms the amino acids. So that are called to be uh, ligases. Okay friend, I hope this video you get a clear understanding. Okay, we will meet you later. One nice video. Okay, right, goodbye.